Hi guys, my name is Sahil Sapraf. I'm lying in Siemens 7 Hills.
And this is Sagar Chavadia. Welcome to 36 Fullam Road in Blacktown.
Let's go and have a look.
Set on a 556 square meter of land, this beautifully renovated, easy to manage, single level 2-bedroom house is perfect for young families or downsizers. Close to school, hospital and everything in the heart of Blacktown.
We hope you like the tour. We look forward to see you at the inspection. Thank you.